When it comes to boosting the value of your property in Ferndale, investing in door replacement might not be the first upgrade that comes to mind. However, it's a strategic and impactful way to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. A new door can offer a blend of style, security, and energy efficiency, which translates to increased property value and buyer appeal. Here's how replacing your doors can make a significant difference to your property's worth. Enhanced curb appeal. Curb appeal is crucial in making a lasting impression on potential buyers. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home, serving as a focal point that sets the tone for the entire property. An outdated, faded, or damaged door can detract from an otherwise charming exterior, while a stylish, modern door can make your home stand out. Replacing your front door with a high-quality design tailored to your home's architecture can instantly upgrade its aesthetic appeal. Whether you choose a sleek, contemporary style or a classic, traditional design, a new door makes your home more inviting and attractive, increasing its perceived value. Improved energy efficiency. Ferndale experiences a range of seasonal weather, and energy efficiency is a top priority for many homeowners and buyers. Old or poorly insulated doors can allow drafts to seep in, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. Modern replacement doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind, often featuring advanced materials and insulated cores that minimize heat transfer. By replacing outdated doors with energy-efficient models, you can lower utility bills and appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Energy-efficient doors may also qualify your property for energy tax credits, which is an additional selling point. Boosted security feature. Security is a critical factor for homebuyers, and your doors play a central role in safeguarding your property. Worn-out doors or those with outdated locking mechanisms can compromise safety, making your home less desirable. Replacing your doors with sturdy, secure models equipped with advanced locking systems can give buyers peace of mind. Steel and fiberglass doors, for instance, are renowned for their durability and resistance to forced entry. By enhancing the security features of your home, you not only protect your investment but also make it more attractive to families and safety-conscious buyers. Increased functionality and durability. Older doors can sometimes stick, squeak, or fail to close properly due to warping or wear. These issues can be frustrating and detract from the overall functionality of your home. Modern replacement doors are crafted from materials designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring a smooth operation for years to come. In addition to being more durable, today's doors often come with innovative features such as built-in blinds, energy-efficient glass panels, or smart lock technology. These upgrades add convenience and functionality, which can significantly increase your home's appeal and market value. Higher return on investment, ROI. Home improvement projects vary widely in terms of ROI, and door replacement is consistently ranked as one of the most cost-effective upgrades. According to industry reports, replacing your front door can yield an ROI of up to 90%, making it a smart investment for homeowners looking to sell. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, a high-quality door can maintain its value and utility over time, offering a long-term benefit to your property. Tailored to Ferndale's charm, Ferndale is known for its unique blend of historic charm and modern living. Whether you own a vintage-style home or a contemporary property, the right door can complement the aesthetic and reflect the character of the neighborhood. Customizing your door's color, design, and material to suit your home ensures it blends seamlessly with the local architectural style, further enhancing its appeal. Final thoughts. Replacing your doors is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's a practical, high-impact improvement that can significantly increase your Ferndale property value. From enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency to boosting security and functionality, a new door offers a wide range of benefits that resonate with buyers. If you're considering a home improvement project that offers strong returns and immediate results, door replacement is a worthy investment. Not only will it elevate your property's value, but it will also make your home more comfortable and attractive for years to come.